The Type S is designed to direct airflow for maximized performance. The lower front splitter helps generate downforce for more traction, while the open surface diamond pentagon grille feeds air into the powerful turbo V6. The rear spoiler and lower diffuser work together to smooth airflow and reduce lift. Sculpted for speed, the TLX Type S demands to be driven. The Type S is the most powerful and capable it's ever been. A 3.0L turbo V6 that pumps out a potent 355 horsepower through the exclusive quad. Exhaust outlets for a new league of performance. 354 pounds-ft of torque transfers to the pavement by the rear by a super handling all-wheel drive unregistered trademark SHA registered trademark. A sport-tuned adaptive damper system and high-performance chassis bracing means all that power can be driven with radical precision. Master the apex, the Type S is born to up your adrenaline levels. Large Brembo registered trademark front brake calipers paired with upsized rotors help you shed speed. Available NSX-inspired lightweight Y-spoke wheels wrapped in high-performance Pirelli summer tires reduce unsprung weight at all four corners, for a drive that feels precision crafted down to the ounce.